I created a $250,000 meme coin in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT and MemeTools a few days ago. It literally went from zero to $260,000 market cap in less than 5 hours. And there's a big reason why I wanted to get this quick video out right now. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. The market cooled off for a couple months, and it wasn't as easy to make money with meme coins as it was earlier in the year. But as always, the market bounces back, and then the meme coin casino heats up again and people start throwing their money at everything. Bitcoin literally just hit another all-time high, and it looks like we're setting up for another massive run in the altcoin market. So the question is, are you going to take advantage of it this time? Or just sit around and do nothing while everyone else gets rich? I know what I'm doing. The main reason I wanted to get this video out is because MemeTools just launched the V2 of their software. I've been waiting a while for this, and literally the same day it came out, I created this grog coin using ChatGPT for the idea and images, then using MemeTools launcher and bundler, and it took off like crazy. The power of this tool is absolutely mind-boggling. It's a literal cheat code. And now you can pump out meme coins with very little time, effort, and money using AI and this software. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but they have a limited time launch offer for 50% off going on right now. And once that's over, the price will be doubling to 8 Solana for the lifetime license. If you have any interest in watching a meme coin in the future, this is a great chance to grab the best launcher and bundler tool before the price goes up. They also currently offer a 1-week rental license, so you can even try it out and launch some coins. And then if you like it, you can buy the full license. Again, I have no affiliate link or anything for them. I just use the software and know it's by far the best out there. Link is in the description if you want to see if they still have this deal going. In my next video, I'll have the full tutorial taking you through the entire process, from the idea and concept using ChatGPT, to their launch and bundling inside of MemeTools, to creating initial buy volume on the coin, and then finally taking profit and getting money out without absolutely crashing the chart or completely rugging the coin. And this is all done inside of MemeTool. But it doesn't matter if you've never made a coin before or can't think of a good meme coin idea. This is so easy to do now using this process. I'm working on the full step-by-step tutorial video right now, and it should be done in 2 or 3 days. So make sure to subscribe and have notifications on if you want to see it as soon as it comes out. I just wanted to get this out right away because the launch deal for MemeTools might be gone by then. So make sure to take advantage of that if you're interested. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you in a couple days with the full tutorial. Okay, bye.